Hello students, welcome to my channel Knowledge Nudge. Today we are studying chapter 6 of class 7th DAV Science Motion and Time Back Exercise. A. Fill in the blanks. First, an object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with time. Second, the SI unit of time is second. Third, a child sitting in a revolving giant wheel is an example of a circular motion. Fourth, a car moving on a busy straight road is an example of non-uniform or linear motion. Fifth, the speedometer of a motorbike measures its speed in kilometers per hour. B. Write true or false for the following statements. First, the speed of a fast-moving train is usually measured in meter per hour. False. Second, the average speed remains constant for an object having a uniform motion. True. Third, a man walks for 1 minute at a speed of 1 meters per second along a straight track. The total distance covered by him is 1 meter. False. Fourth, an object moving along a straight line is said to be in uniform motion if it covers regularly increasing distances in equal intervals of time. False. Fifth, the time period of a simple pendulum that takes 42 seconds to complete 20 oscillation equals to zero point 0.1 seconds. True. 6. The distance time graph for a car kept parked on a side road is a straight line parallel to the time axis. True. C. Tick the correct option. Answer. First, distance is equal to speed into time. Second, 30 minutes. Third, 15 kilometers. Fourth, option A. Fifth, 4 T1 plus T2. Sixth, meters per second. D. Answer the following questions in brief. Question number 1. A boy walks to his school with a constant speed of 4 kilometers per hour and reaches there in 30 minutes. Find the distance of the school from his house. Answer. Speed is equal to 4 kilometers per hour. Time taken is equal to 30 minutes is equal to half hour is equal to 0.5 hour. Therefore, distance is equal to speed into time is equal to 4 kilometers per hour into half hour is equal to 2 kilometer. Hence, distance of school from his school is 2 kilometer. Question second, the distance between two stations is 216 kilometer. A bus takes 4 hours to cover this distance. Calculate the average speed of the bus in kilometers per hour. Answer. Distance 216 kilometer. Time taken is equal to 4 hours. Therefore, average speed is equal to total distance covered upon total time taken is equal to 216 kilometer upon 4 hour is equal to 54 kilometer per hour. Question 3. Two cars A and B starting at the same time from the same point are moving with average speed of 40 kilometers per hour and 50 kilometers per hour respectively. In the same direction, find how far will car B be from car A after 3 hours. Answer. For car A, average speed is equal to 40 km per hour. Time taken is equal to 3 hours. Therefore, distance covered is equal to speed into time is equal to 40 kilometers per hour into 3 hours is equal to 120 km. For car B, average speed is equal to 50 kilometers per hour. Time taken is 3 hours. Therefore, distance covered is equal to speed into time is equal to 50 kilometers per hour into 3 hours is equal to 150 km. Here, car B travels more distance is equal to 150 km minus 120 km is equal to 30 km. Hence, car B will be at a distance of 30 km from car A. Question 4. A car moves with a speed of 40 kilometers per hour for 15 minutes and then with a speed of 60 kilometers per hour of the next 15 minutes. Find the total distance covered by the car in these 30 minutes. Answer. Distance covered in first 15 minutes is equal to 40 kilometers per hour into 15 minutes is equal to 40 kilometers per hour into 1 by 4 hour is equal to 10 kilometer. Distance covered in second 15 minutes is equal to 60 kilometer per hour into 15 minutes is equal to 60 kilometer per hour into 1 by 4 hour is equal to 15 kilometer. Therefore, total distance covered is equal to 10 kilometer plus 15 kilometer is equal to 25 kilometer. Question 5th. Define the term periodic motion. Give two examples of periodic motions that can be used to measure time. Answer. Periodic motion which repeats itself after a regular interval of time is called periodic motion. Examples. First, Motion of the hands of a clock. Second, motion of the moon around the earth. Question 6. Distinguish between uniform and non-uniform motion. Give one example of each. Uniform motion. An object is said to be in uniform motion when it moves along a straight path and covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, however small these intervals of time may be. Example: motion of a body along with a straight path covering equal distances in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion: when an object 1 moving along a straight path covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, or second does not move along a straight path, its motion is called a non-uniform motion. Example: motion of a free falling object. Question 7. Draw the shape of distance-time graph for A. A man waiting for a bus standing at one point on a bus stand. This is a graph. Explanation. The man is standing still waiting for the bus, so his distance from a fixed point, like the bus stop, does not change even as time passes. Graph A. A flat horizontal line visually represents this lack of movement. The distance value remains constant over time. B. A man walking on a level straight and narrow road with a constant speed. This is a graph. Explanation. The man walks at a steady, unchanging speed. This means he covers the same amount of distance every second. Graph B. An inclined straight line shows this uniform change. As more time passes, the distance increases proportionally. The constant slope shows his constant speed. E. Answer the following questions. Answer 1. Motion of the farmer dash non-uniform as he covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Average speed of the farmer is equal to total distance covered upon time taken is equal to 240 meters upon 16 minutes is equal to 240 meter upon 960 seconds. Change minutes into seconds is equal to 1 by 4 meter per second is equal to 0.25 meters per second. Answer 2. Speed of sound is equal to 340 meters per second. Time taken is equal to 6 seconds. Therefore, distance is equal to 340 meters per second into 6 seconds is equal to 2040 meter is equal to 2.04 kilometer. Hence, thundering sound was produced at a distance of 2.04 kilometer from Shivam. Answer 3. A simple pendulum can be made by a metal ball attached to a taut light string or thread that is fixed rigidly at one end. B. Number of complete oscillation is equal to 5. Total time taken is equal to 10 seconds. Time period of the pendulum is equal to 10 by 5 is equal to 2 seconds. Answer. Object A is in uniform motion as it covers equal distance in equal intervals of time. Object B is in non-uniform motion as it does not cover equal distances in equal intervals of time. Answer 5. First, value of P is equal to 3 meters. Value of Q is equal to 12 meter. Second, value of R is equal to 12 seconds. Thank you for watching the video. If you love it, then like it, share with your friends, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications about further videos.